Hello, creative friends. I am so excited. It's that time of year again. It's time for the 2020 Scrapbook.com gift guide. This gift guide features 20 different products, and you can find them all over at Scrapbook.com. I will be featuring the Prima Marketing Snowflake Mold. I will be creating some mixed media ATCs, so let's get into the video. I am going to start off my project by using the silicone Prima Snowflake mold. I have some Prima clay here that I am going to smush into the mold, and I wipe my finger across the top of it and kind of smooth it out a little bit, get all of the extra clay off. I do have several videos that I will be linking to at the end of this video that will share more tips and techniques if you are wanting more on silicone molds. I then flip over the mold and I carefully peel the clay piece out of the mold. I now have some cardstock that I cut down to ATC size, and I am putting some gesso on top of these cards so that they are nice and prepped for all of the different mediums that I'm going to put on top. It's very important when you are doing mixed media to prime your surface, whether you're using a glass bottle or paper. That way all of your mediums will stick to your surface. I am now going to take my brayer, and it is well loved, which means it has a lot of dried up paint, and this is going to give a really cool texture to the first layer on my cards. I am now taking some Distress Spray Stain in Speckled Egg. This has to be by far one of my favorite colors. I don't really use a lot of the Distress Spray Stains, but this color is already half gone. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. If you do not have it, I highly recommend getting it. I continue to build up the color by spraying the speckled egg on the cards and a little bit of water to make sure that the color is going to blend out really nicely. I am now going to use the brand new color Crackling Campfire, and I take the cap off and just kind of put a little dab of the color. I don't want a lot of it, and a little bit goes a long way, especially when I have such a muted blue in the background. So I am going to be very careful about how much Crackling Campfire I use on my cards. And I'm just going to kind of touch up a little bit here and there color wise where I want a little bit more saturated speckled egg, and then I will add a little bit more Crackling Campfire to the cards. I am now moving on to the snowflakes. I am going to take some embossing glaze. These snowflakes are not completely dry yet, so I didn't add any embossing ink or water or anything on them. The moisture from the clay is going to help that embossing glaze stick to the snowflakes, and then I heat set that. Now I'm going to take a Tim Holtz stamp and flip over the card, lay it on top of the stamp, and brayer on some of that text. I'm now going to take some white superfine embossing powder and create another layer of texture. I love layering up texture. And as you can see, the white on the orange and the blue, I absolutely love it. I am now heat setting this, melting all of that embossing powder. I absolutely love how these are turning out. I'm going to add just a little bit more of the Crackling Campfire to darken up that color on the cards. And I will spritz it with a little bit of water to get it to move around a little bit. And after that dries, I'm going to add some splatters with the Dina Wakley gloss spray. This is an acrylic spray, so it will sit right on top, and you guys know I absolutely love splatters. And now I am going to add the snowflakes onto the little ATC cards. I cut up some of the Tim Holtz Christmas label tape. I am obsessed with this label tape. I can see myself using it a lot this Christmas season. I also plan to use the snowflake mold for some Christmas ornaments. I'm super excited to make some of those with my kids. They are going to be the perfect size. There is different sizes, so it will be a lot of fun to use it this Christmas as well. These ATCs were so simple to make, and the two colors look amazing together. I have several different videos featuring molds. I have put together a short playlist right here. In the videos, you will find different tips and tricks and why I think that if you are a mixed media artist, molds are the best investment. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye!